As usual, haven't charged the GoPro, but down here at Port Adelaide, got Frank here. But also, Jaff has got the Hudson out, which is totally cool. Got a 440 big block in it, and it is for sale. XH the world. Oh, g'day. No.
Yeah, bud. Dimon.
It's Jason from Tuff Mounts.
Good afternoon all.
Subscribe to him.
Please, we need followers.
So we had a bit of a laugh before in the last video, but this is actually Phil's Falcon Coupe. Very, very, very cool car. Twin turbo, runs 8s, street car, and the owner, he's a bit of a good dude too. Can't park very well, you got heaps of room. You got heaps of room, go. Look. Oh, hi Phil.
Hey, is that Boxer from HoonTV?
Alright, so I'm in Frank the Tank and I'm cruising across the Murray River on the Wellington Ferry right now, and I'm heading to the Bend Motorsport Park again. Yes, I have a lot of videos of the Bend Motorsport Park, not because I want to bore you, because it's a bloody awesome place and I like going there. Going to roll racing tonight again. I'm not racing, I'm going there to hang out and hopefully have a couple of rides in some other people's cars, which will be pretty cool. Put the word out there, see who actually comes good with their promises. But no, it should be a good night. Good to see what Keith and all the crew that run it have done with the event, and it's such a cool facility. But just about to get off ferry, so a couple of shots and then I'm on the road. So, tell me who you are, what we're driving, a few of the specs and how much power it makes.
Alright, I'm Matthew Spratt and driving an R33 GTR Series 3 98 model, and it's got a built 2.6 litre twin turbo HKS RS turbos. It's got a 6-speed OSG consequential, Nismo LSD front and rear, and it's running about 30 psi and it's making 500 kilowatts to the wheels.
There you go, tidy.
Right, my name's Atha. We're in a 1968 XT Falcon, running a 347 cube. It's made 608 on the engine dyno. Yeah, it's run 1066 at 129 down the quarter. And I drive it everywhere. For me, it's a true street car. Drive it everywhere, put it on the trailer, bring it up here and have some road racing fun, which is good to get them out. We've got nowhere to race at the moment.
Genuine 10-second straight car. It's actually quite nice and tame. Not too mental. All temps are all good, everything's just sitting there, ready to go.
8.2 deck.
What's that?
That's my little emblem here, 8.2 deck, Mafia. 8.2 deck is the deck height of the engine.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It originates from the US.
Yep.
The Mustang guys up there love them.
Awesome, it's so smooth.
Yeah, no, she likes the rev. Alright, cheers, man. Hope you enjoyed it.
Seems to have some big top end speed. Coming up now, lane one's leading the way. Both of them are wide open. Let's go to lane number 2. Lane 2 at the moment. Lane 1. Lane 1. The blue.